If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, I will show you what Image Playground is and how to use it on macOS Sonoma 15.4. Image Playground is Apple's built-in generative AI tool that allows you to create fun, stylized images, like cartoons or concept art, using prompts. It's integrated into certain apps and is powered by Apple Intelligence on Apple Silicon Macs. A Mac with Apple Silicon M1, M2, M3 is required running macOS 15.4 or the version where Image Playground is available. You need to enable Apple Intelligence and you may need to enroll in beta features or updates. To use Image Playground on macOS as a separate app, here is how to do. First, open Launchpad or search with Spotlight or find the app from the Apple folder and run the Image Playground app. Next, you can use a picture or choose a style to generate. You may add a subject or type on the description section and generate and save the results. You may also export the image. As you can see, the possibilities are endless, easy, and fun to use. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day.